Hi, I'm Andy, and I've been in a fortunate position to be able to build this firstborn Twisted. This Rimini Red 90 TD5 looks absolutely gorgeous. It's been stripped back down to the bare chassis. The chassis has been coated and treated, and we've built it up nut by nut to where she is sat today. We've upgraded several areas of the vehicle, as well as keeping as much originality to the car as possible. Starting with the suspension, we've fitted the tried and tested Twisted progressive suspension, complemented by the Twisted classic wheel and BF Goodrich 285 combination. Driving these vehicles for over 25 years, I've never known the drivability of the feel of this Twisted progressive suspension setup. It is without doubt the most superior driving combination that you could possibly get on Defender. To complement that, we've upgraded several parts of the engine. We've put a hybrid turbo on it, as well as an upgraded intercooler, upgraded hoses, upgraded exhaust system, and in account to that, we've upgraded the transmission. We've replaced the front and rear diffs and the transfer case. The transfer case has been adjusted to a different ratio to again aid drivability and comfort to the car. As you can see, we're nearly at a stage where we've finished. I think I'm about 250 to 300 hours in at the moment, and with not very far to go, I can see light at the end of the tunnel. I come in every morning with a smile on my face, know that I'm going to work on this truly trusted, tried and tested vehicle, and I can't wait for the first maiden voyage up the road.